St. Anthony's College Extension, Byndihati in East Giant Hills District observed the fourth graduation cum farewell celebration at the school auditorium amidst rejoicing by school authorities, teachers and students on the 19th November 2021. The celebration was marked with academic procession by students and dignitaries, followed by the traditional lighting of the lamp, heralding the dawn of light to signify the driving away the darkness of ignorance from the society. Giving his address and short history of the school, the principal of the college, Father George S. Linkoy, informed that the school comprises students belonging to different cultures and languages of the northeastern region and state of the country, including students from Myanmar and Bangladesh. Father Linkoy also gave a short history of the school and said,
as its first principal in charge, the college was included for 2 academic years, and in 2016, Reverend Father Joby Joseph succeeded Father Paul Pasa. In 2017, with Reverend Father Kenny Pakma SDB as the principal in charge, the college was shifted to this present and permanent campus, with this academic block inaugurated on 19 December 2017. The next wing of this college, the academic block, that is the other side, the other wing, is going to be completed very soon. Currently, the college has 7 departments, namely Commerce, Education, English, Khasi, History, Political Science, and Sociology. All these departments are doing well academically. Of the 4 batches of students that have passed out, Education, English, and Khasi have passed with 100% results for the 3rd consecutive time. Our departments too, other departments too, have 100% results in 1 or 2 of the batches. And Sociology department to be mentioned, in every batch, 60% of the students have always passed with 1st division. We have students who have secured very high percentage in all the 4 batches who got admissions in Northeastern Hill University and other central universities of the country. Many of our 1st and 2nd batches of students are already working and doing very well, thanks to the hard work and collaboration of the management, the faculty, the students, and the parents. Along with the academic emphasis, our college stresses on communication skills, leadership training, personality development, and nurturing students' talents. All those performing on stage this afternoon are our very own students. Diversity is another blessing that we have.
Delivering the keynote address, the Comptroller of Examination of Northeastern Hill University, Dr. D. Chowdhury, made an ardent appeal to the students to make use of the knowledge that they have acquired during their graduation to further improve their future lives. The celebration was also marked with giving of graduation certificates, followed by the presentation of Excellence Awards.
After the post-pandemic, now the pandemic is slowly waning out. That's why you all are here. Now it has already started because there is a shortfall of labor and people want to take it and people do not want to go through that lengthy process of applying, wait, screening done, interview held, then selection made, then selection panel approved. All these problems people are getting rid of because people need it quickly. So the idea is now also that you need to present yourself and prove your credentials, whatever you claim, and get or do not get it. And therefore, the papers, people are not going to bother much. So don't take so much of weightage on that paper. By whatever methods you might have managed the mark sheet, and it might be looking very good, no doubt about it, but do not depend much on that. That is the future message that I want to say. Now, this is one. And, it would have been good, because it is after a long time that I see so many students in one place. That's one. It would have been good if we had an interactive kind of thing, but I suppose this function is not meant for that. So I am not taking that way, an interactive thing. I can share it with you. I can conclude maybe with a small story to share with you. It's a small boy, and his father actually gave him a stone. It was a stone-like thing, and told that go to the market and get it valuated, but don't sell it, bring it back. So the boy rushed to the market nearby, went and asked a vegetable shopkeeper how much price he will give. And the shopkeeper replied, at the most 1 kilo onion or 3 kilos potato. That is what I can give you against this. He came back and told father that this is what this fellow said. He said, go again and try somewhere else. He went to a grocery shop, and that fellow said, maximum 2 kilos of rice that I can give. And gradually he made that experiences in 4 or 5 attempts. And finally he landed up with a jeweler and showed the stone to the jeweler. And the jeweler said, if you part with it, I give you 5 lakhs right away. If you give it now. He rushed back. Why I told you that story is only to tell you this, that it is on your own wisdom that the value and the price depends. For the vegetable shopkeeper, the diamond piece mattered nothing. For the jeweler, it did. So your knowledge must hone you to that level. Whatever you have earned, whatever you have done, must equip you, must empower you to that kind of a level where you can actually get the right value of the right thing. That is the lesson that life gives. We are all human beings, and human beings fundamentally are dreamers. We all dream, and I wish that you dream too. But I wish that your dream transcends your own persons. It transcends and moves out, covers your friends, family, society, nation, and you try to improve it upon in a mechanism where your presence enlightens and enriches others. With all the best wishes, I suppose, I can stop here. Thank you, and all the best wishes again to all of you. Thank you.
Dear name is Shillong.
Jit Biswakarma.
Rapshan Kupar Namtru.
Remy Paul.
Rajdeep Paul.
Sylvina Tansi.
Baswan Shillong.
Double Shilla.
Deiborlang Namtru.
Edified Khar.
The chief guest, who is the chairman of Meghalaya State Planning Board, Lambor Malngyang, while delivering the presidential address, lauded to the students who have successfully completed their graduation. Malngyang termed their success as an honor to their parents and college authorities. He also assured the gathering that he would take keen interest that the scheme for construction of hostel for the college is sanctioned by the state government.
And I had a little briefing this morning. I had a very short briefing. My dear fathers, I will like to inform you, I have been in a position to clear more than 300 numbers of file which says amount of rupees so and so was earmarked for this particular schools in this particular village. Certain amount of fund has been allotted to different schools. So when I check the list, what are these schools for? Who run the schools? All the government aided schools. And I have not seen a single file till date that I'll be able to support the religious institution. But I will ensure now I'll be able to clear at least one file of that religious institution, and that file belongs to the St. Anthony's College Byndihati for the extension for construction of the hostel out here. I will clear, my pen will be the first finger of mine that will be used in this particular file. It is lying with me now. And I will carry myself to ensure that you get the sanction. By any means. Don't ask me how, but leave it. I will take care and come back here with the sanction order. Father, this is my words to you. It reminds me during my college days. I'll tell you something. I was also going to receive the certificate of graduation. And I asked myself, where am I heading to? Am I heading to a right direction, or I am heading to a wrong destination? I remember the words quoted by late Gandhiji, the father of the nation. Success does not come on its own. You have to look for it. The more you work hard, the more they shine in your face.